Dash cams aren't just for accidents anymore. They protect your car, record evidence, and give peace of mind every time you drive. So today, we're counting down the top 5 dash cams you should buy in 2026, from compact everyday options to powerful 4K setups. Hit subscribe because only subscribers will get notified about the next videos. Number 5. Viofo A329S Dash Cam. The Viofo A329S is a premium dash cam designed for drivers who want maximum detail and coverage. It records ultra-sharp 4K video with excellent dynamic range, making license plates and road details easy to capture in both daylight and low-light conditions. Key features include advanced night vision, built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, and buffered parking mode support for round-the-clock vehicle protection. It's feature-rich without feeling complicated. Best for drivers who want top-tier video quality and advanced safety features. Number 4. Rove R2 4K Dash Cam. The Rove R2 4K is a popular choice known for delivering reliable 4K Ultra HD recording at an accessible price point. It captures sharp footage with wide-angle coverage, helping record more of the road ahead. Key features include built-in GPS, Wi-Fi app support, loop recording, and emergency file locking. It offers a solid balance of performance, features, and ease of use. Best for drivers looking for dependable 4K recording without overspending. Number 3. Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam. The Red Tiger 4K Dash Cam stands out by offering dual camera recording, capturing the road ahead in 4K while monitoring the rear in Full HD. This makes it a strong option for added protection in traffic or parking situations. Key features include GPS tracking, Wi-Fi connectivity, super night vision, and a wide-angle lens for broader coverage. It delivers excellent value for a dual-channel setup. Best for drivers who want front and rear recording at a competitive price. Number 2. Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 3 is one of the most compact dash cams on the market, designed for drivers who want protection without distraction. It records crisp 1080p Full HD video with reliable clarity, capturing license plates and road details during daily driving. The camera powers on automatically with your vehicle and includes voice control for hands-free operation. Automatic incident detection saves important footage during sudden impacts, while built-in Wi-Fi lets you quickly view and download clips using the Garmin Drive app. Although it skips 4K resolution and rear camera support, its stable performance, trusted Garmin software, and hassle-free setup make it a solid choice. Best for drivers who want a compact, reliable dash cam with minimal setup and dependable every day. Number 1. Wolfbox G840S Dash Cam. The Wolfbox G840S is a mirror-style dash cam that replaces your standard rear-view mirror with a large, high-resolution touchscreen for a modern and immersive driving experience. It features a dual camera system, recording both the road ahead and behind your vehicle for complete coverage. Wide-angle lenses help reduce blind spots, while night vision enhances clarity in low-light conditions. Additional features include loop recording, parking monitoring, and a waterproof rear camera built for reliable performance in all weather. Easy to use and highly practical, it delivers strong everyday protection and visibility. Best for drivers who want a mirror-style dash cam with full front and rear coverage and an integrated. So, there you have it. The top 5 dash cams you should consider in 2026, whether you want flagship-level video quality, discreet everyday protection, or a full mirror-style setup. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews and car upgrades.